Hey guys, Sahil here. So let me get this out of the way. I don't like using the word hate, okay? So I thoroughly dislike this person. For those of you who don't know, her name is Sumati Maliwal and she is the chairperson of the Delhi Commission for Women. And she has made till now she has made and posted 2 videos on Twitter regarding the boys' locker room controversy, in which she is claiming that these boys have been talking about raping minor girls, which is completely without any evidence or without any investigation. She has already declared that these boys were talking about rape when there is no evidence, and when the people who are behind this entire sort of like controversy, who started this whole thing, have admitted that that has nothing to do, these boys had nothing to do with that one screenshot from Snapchat that was talking about rape. But Delhi Women's Commission does not want to know about it. इनको एक मौका मिल गया है अपनी बकवास फैलाने का, झूठ बोलने का, and to demonize men, and they are going to use it to its fullest. ये इनकी सेकंड वीडियो है. I am just going to show you a small clip. So let's get back to it now.
दिल्ली महिला आयोग ने बॉयज लॉकर रूम वाले मामले में नोटिस इशू किया था दिल्ली पुलिस को और इंस्टाग्राम को. हमारे नोटिस के बाद दिल्ली पुलिस ने अब इस मामले में एफआईआर दर्ज करी है और एक लड़का अरेस्ट किया गया है. बाकी जितने लड़के थे जो कि इस पूरे मामले में इन्वॉल्व थे, उन सबकी इस वक्त उनके साथ दिल्ली पुलिस इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रही है, उनकी पूरी पूछताछ चल रही है. ये वही लड़के हैं जिन्होंने लड़कियों की गैंगरेप करने का प्लान बनाया था. उन लड़कियों की फोटोज इन्होंने सर्कुलेट करी थी और उनके ऊपर बहुत ही अभद्र टिप्पणी करी थी. तो ऐसे लड़के, चाहे वो कहीं भी हो, चाहे लॉकडाउन चल रहा हो या नहीं चल रहा हो, ऐसे लड़कों को छोड़ा नहीं जाएगा. मैं आप सबसे अपील करती हूँ, अगर आप भी किसी बॉयज लॉकर रूम का या किसी भी ऐसे ग्रुप का पार्ट हैं जिसमें इस तरीके से लड़कियों के खिलाफ कोई भी बात करी जा रही है या उनके खिलाफ कोई भी क्राइम करने का प्लान करा जा रहा है, तो आपको चेतावनी दी जाती है. आप तुरंत अपने आप को ऐसे ग्रुप्स से हटाइए और ऐसे ग्रुप्स को हमें रिपोर्ट कीजिए. आप हमारे को 181 हेल्पलाइन पे कॉल करके रिपोर्ट कर सकते हैं ऐसे ग्रुप्स, और साथ में आप हमें हमारी ईमेल आईडी जो कि livingpositive@gmail.com है, इस पे भी आप हमें कॉल करके ऐसे ग्रुप्स के बारे में बता सकते हैं. वो लड़कियां जिन्होंने इस बात को उजागर करा, वो लड़कियां बहुत बहादुर हैं और दिल्ली महिला आयोग उनके पूरी तरीके से साथ है. अगर उनको कोई भी प्रकार की समस्या हो रही है, कोई परेशान कर रहा है, तो वो दिल्ली महिला आयोग को जरूर अप्रोच करें. हम उनका पूरी तरीके से साथ देंगे. साथ में मैं समाज से अपील करती हूँ कि ऐसी लड़कियों का मनोबल बढ़ाने की जरूरत है और ऐसी लड़कियों को
Yeah, this is what she's saying. Without any evidence, she has already declared that these boys have been talking about rape, and that one boy has already been arrested. Now, I hope that boy is the one who was from that Snapchat story, who was talking about raping that girl, and I hope he get punished about that. But now the interesting part. A lot of screenshots have been recovered from a similar girls group in which the girls have been taking screenshots of boys' pictures and posting it and making the same lewd comments about those boys as they had been in the boys' locker room chat. And point is, Delhi Women's Commission has made no statement about this till now. And nobody wants to talk about it. All the news media, all the channels picked up the boys' locker room story like that. But nobody's picking up the girls' locker room story. It's still trending on Twitter, by the way, because people are realizing it now. But still, all the news sources and Sumati are blaming boys, not those girls. What the boys did was wrong. And if the girls do the same thing, that does not make that wrong right. But there has to be an equality. Women's Commission is supposed to be for equality, right? Then why is she only speaking about boys? Why is she not speaking about girls who are doing the same thing? And she won't, I know that. Everybody knows that. Delhi Women's Commission is famous for misrepresenting information, and they have been accused by the courts for convincing women to file fake rape cases on their spouses and their boyfriends. So I don't know there is anything to say about this. Just, I think these locker room chats, both from boys and the girls, are wrong, but they are not criminal. These people should be punished, but not jailed and arrested. So that's my opinion. You can share your opinion with us. I'm on Instagram, also on Twitter now. I'll link it in the description box, and you can leave any comments you like. Even if you want to criticize, that's fine. Thank you.